Hey, what's up, guys? Alright. Now we will be trying this. What is this? It's a candy prank. Oh, I'm already pranked, and it's obvious. It's prank. Alright. It's a candy, and the ballot has different colors. It's a violet. This is mint green. Oh, mint green and red. Alright. Now it says in the back, do you want to challenge the new taste? Oh, I really want it to. Huh. Alright. Alright, this cost 5 pesos only sa mga suking tindahan. Alright. Okay. So, if you're wondering what's this, my costume, it's our pambansang costume kapag lumalabas galing para kunin ng Shopee mo. Alright. Okay, so this one I already cut it because I was excited to open this, but I didn't eat it. Alright. I didn't look at it. Alright, it's just cut. Alright. Okay. Now, this is not available in the Toy Story or Kingdom or any expensive candies. Alright, this is just a cheap, only cost 5 pesos. Alright, so let's try this one, my favorite color. Alright, okay, let me get this. Just like that, you open like by the way, there is a pineapple. This is what is this? Spicy? A spicy red? Oh, it's a strawberry. Oh my god, Lilay, you've studied this. You're grade 12 now. Alright. Now let's open it. Alright. It comes with a shake. Cannot see it. It's very dark. Very dark. Because I'm wearing shades. How do you open this? Did you maable? Oh. Oh, here it is. So let's see if what's inside this bag. What? This is it, pancit. Look at that. It's like an egg, lizard egg. All right. So it says you want a challenge, so it's a surprise, obviously. Okay. So let's try one. It's just like a candy, and it has no flavor at all. Well, what can you expect? It's a 5 pesos on. Let's see. This one is spicy. This one spicy. This one is sour. I'm gonna ubusin ito. Apple. That's apple. I don't understand this taste. Alright. Alright, to kids out there, after you eat candies, you drink water and brush your teeth because it will ruin your teeth. It will make a cavities. Alright? So we have only 3 left. Oh. The ants will, I want to eat it. Uh, this one tastes bad. It's sour, spicy, and salty. Okay. Well, I think these two are just the same. Alright. It's just the change of color out of pot. I'm gonna give this to my sister. They should try this too. Well, forget about my sister. Let's open this. Let's try the red one. So, wait. Let's open this. I'm like a vlogger, but but I'm just a cheap vlogger because, you know, we're starting. Okay, it's the same. Look, it's just the same. It's just a ball. Same taste. Okay, where is the strawberry here? This one is the strawberry. Oh, you're so damn, Lilay. That's not strawberry. Grapes? I don't know. It's a grape. Well, I don't know. They put so many sugar here. Oh my god, sugar. This will ruin my teeth. Okay, for the last one, let's put it together. Sino kinakain ko? Pag nagutom ako, gusto ko lang sumay isaw sa tuyo. Ew! What was that? I'll be getting a stomachache here. And a heartache because I hurt you. Ah! Whatever. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. See you soon, and I hope you buy this too. You can buy this. This is not challenging at all because I already challenged it. Alright, baboosh.